Hello guys, myself Dr. Aditya Prasad Padi. Welcome to our channel, The Surgery Times. Follow us in Instagram, Telegram, Facebook as well as in YouTube. So our today's topic is mnemonics for biomedical waste.
So there are a lot of videos I have put and keep on putting like last minute revision type so that you can enjoy a video in the last minute. Like in one page, there are a lot of questions you can cover through that. So our aim is like that. From exam point of view, in our day-to-day life also, we can utilize this video, that is biomedical waste. So there are various types of bags. In one page, we will discuss, and again after that, we will discuss precisely regarding each of the bags. So keep attention and repeatedly you just see this video so that you can remember easily. Okay, so let's start. So first is biomedical waste bags. There are 4 bags. Okay, first is red, white, blue and yellow. Remember, so I have written in this sequence because there is a motive beside that. So red, how will you remember? Red bicycles are contagious. Okay, means very attractive, like that you can remember. Red cycles contagious, which contains white sharp metals. Okay, white sharp metals are there. So, and the blue are glass metal implants. Blue glass metal implants. So remember like this. You just keep this photo in front of your eyes so that it will be very easier for you for the future also. Okay, red cycles are contagious, which contains white sharp metals, and blue glass metal implants. Okay, this much. After that, apart from this, whatever remains will come to the yellow. So that's why I have put yellow in the last. Got it? Now, another thing is here MAH, ADH, something has been written. Why? What is this motto? Because these are the degrading procedures. Okay. How will you degrade these bags? Okay. So we will discuss now one by one. So for the timing, only remember for red MAH, MA, and white is ADH, and blue is MAH, same as red, except one added is D. So we will discuss later. It will be very easier for you. For the time, no stress. Now next is yellow bag. Yellow bag, here one picture is there, that is solid, liquid, all these are chemical medicines. Okay, so that you remember anatomy and microbiology. Like this you remember, so that solid means it is soiled. Okay, soiled dressings. Okay, then our plaster Paris cast, all these are soiled. Then liquid, chemical, medicine. In this photo, everything is there. Then your first year subjects, anatomy. How will you degrade all these bags? So soil bags by IPD, chemical by IP and IPP. Okay, and medicine. Whereas the rest other are, whereas liquid and microbiology are chemicals. Okay, non-fluorinated chemicals. So we will discuss one by one. Just keep this photo in front of your eye before going to exam also, so that you can remember easily. Now we will discuss one by one. In the last also, again I will repeat the same thing so that it will be very easier for you. So this is the same. Red cycle are contagious, contains white sharp metals, blue glass metal implants, and yellow solid liquid chemical medicine, anatomy, microbiology, biotechnology. Okay. Now next is red. Red is basically, as per in the image shown, tubing and bottles. Okay, remember tube and bottle, these two terms. So what will come in this? IV tube sets, catheters, urine bags, syringe, which can be recyclable. Already we have discussed recycle and contagious. Contagious like Euro bags and our globes, all the contagious. Now disposal or degradation options. MAH, remember, this will be easy. MAH means easy. So the questions can come like the globes in which bag, or syringe without needles in which bag. Okay. Now Euro bags in which bag? All these are red bags. And how will you dispose a red bag? By out of all of these can be a disposal options for red bag except autoclaving, microwaving, hydroclaving, incineration. Then incineration will become. So incineration specially used for yellow bags. I will discuss. Okay. Now next is white. White is waste sharp, mainly blades, BP blade also. And what are the disposal options? ADH. These materials can be put in the autoclave. Remember. Now blue. Blue is broken or discarded and those contaminated or cytotoxic go to yellow. If without cytotoxic and broken, okay, means broken glass means it again comes to like sharp but glass. Okay, all these are in the blue. Okay, remember. It is very, very important. And here also, MA having hydroclaving and disinfection. I will not discuss here regarding all what is microwaving, autoclaving, all those things, because this is a mnemonic based, and how will you remember and can attend the exam. Also for day-to-day life, if you are working in a hospital, then you should know in which place, NABS especially, all these are required. So This is the purpose. So I will not go deep into microwaving, autoclaving in this video. Okay. Next is soiled, yellow bag now. Okay. So as we have discussed in yellow bag, solid, liquid, okay, then chemical. So like this, you should remember. We'll discuss one by one. For mnemonic sake, it becomes solid. Otherwise, it is soiled. Okay. Items contaminated with blood and cotton swab. So how will you dispose? IPMAH. Okay. IPD means incineration, plasma pyrolysis, and deep burial. These are more commonly used as depending upon the material that is you are throwing. Next is liquid chemicals. Okay. These are the like silver X-ray film developing liquid, discarded disinfectants, formalin, infected secretions, aspirated body fluids. Okay, aspirated body fluids. Anything like can be aspirated means bone marrow, bone fluids, floor washing, cleaning, housekeeping, all this. So remember all liquid chemicals in the hospital. After resource before mixing with other waste water. Okay, so prior to mixing with the waste water or discarding in the waste water, it should be pre-treated with some chemicals like non-chlorinated, everything is there. So this is, so the liquid chemicals only you remember any fluids from the body or from the leg or from any secretions. All these are coming under liquid chemical. This much only important. Now next is chemicals used in production of biological disinfectants, IPE, incineration, plasma. Not much important, but another important is medicine, discarded or expired medicine in a hospital. So expired medicines, discarded medicines, pharmaceutical wastes like antibiotics, cytotoxic drug. Already we have said, if it is a ampoule or vial with cytotoxic drug, then it will come to the yellow bag. Okay, otherwise blue bag, glass materials. Okay. Now antibiotics, cytotoxic drugs with glass, plastic ampoules and vials, all will die incineration more than 1200 degrees centigrade, or PP, that is plasma pyrolysis and encapsulation. Okay, IPE. Now, human anatomy or animal. So, human tissue, organ, body part or fetus below the viability period. Now, animals like carcasses, body parts, organ, tissue, same. Okay. Now, disposal option is IPD. IPD, it is easy. Let's see. Anatomical waste means any organs, or it can be incineration or plasma pyrolysis or deep burial. You can deeply buried inside the soil also. Now, other materials like discarded linen, mattress, beddings, all are in the yellow bag. It will come. Now, microbiology, biotechnology. Okay. 3 images I have put here. Only remember this much. And these will come to the yellow bag, discs and cytotoxic or live attenuated vaccines. Okay. How will you dispose the microbiology by non-chlorinated chemicals? Is the chemicals we have discussed before, same only. Okay. So now next is, this is the final chart. Now I hope you can get everything in one page. Okay. First is a mnemonic. Red cycles are contagious, which contains white sharp metals and blue glass implants, metal implants. Okay. Now yellow is separate. Yellow, how will you remember? Solid, liquid, chemical, medicine. Okay. This image, solid, liquid, chemical, medicine, anatomy, microbiology, biotechnology. Okay. Now from this slide only you can tell red means that is recyclable, that is tubing. Okay. Tubes or bags. Then contagious means the globes and all. Now white is sharp metal. Okay. Sharp metal means BP blades, then our needles, all these things. Okay. And metals like scalpel. And blue means glass or implants, metal implants. Okay. This much. Now how will you dispose them? By MH. Okay. Already we have discussed. Then next is ADH. Next is MAHD. Okay. Now solid by IPD. Chemical and medicines or microbiology, biotechnology, all lab waste, that is by non-chlorinated chemicals. So I hope you can get everything from one page only. So go through this page especially. First go through full video. Then mainly you study this page and keep in front of your eye, so that it will be very, very easy and helpful for you for your future also. So see you in our next video. So till then, goodbye, and follow our channel, The Surgery Times, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, as well as YouTube. Like, share, comments. If any other mnemonics or easy way to remember, then put in the comment box. So now, thank you and goodbye.